I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson for real Korean conversations.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘도 자연스러운 한국어를 같이 배워요.
안녕하세요. 춘호입니다. Today, we close a scheduling chat when the exact time is still open.
Here's my problem. In English, I say, I'll text you later or see you then. But in Korean, when do I say, 다음에 연락할게요? And when do I say, 그때 봐요?
좋은 질문이에요. The difference is simple. Is the plan still flexible? Or is the time already decided?
오늘의 핵심 표현은 두 개예요. 다음에 연락할게요 means I'll contact you later. 그때 봐요 means see you then.
시간이 아직 안 정해졌으면 다음에 연락할게요. In English, the time is not decided yet, so you promise a soft follow-up.
시간이 정해졌으면 그때 봐요. In English, the time is set, so you say see you then.
먼저 자연스러운 예문을 들어볼게요. 회의 시간이 아직 애매해요. 다음에 연락할게요.
이번에는 시간이 정해졌어요. 좋아요. 그때 봐요. That means okay, see you then.
So if the time is not clear yet, I can say, 다음에 연락할게요.
맞아요. 다음 means next or later and marks the time. 다음에 means later or next time.
연락할게요 means I will contact you with a polite promise from the speaker.
Then, 그때 봐요, is not vague. It means that time see you.
네. 그때 means then, that time. 봐요 means see you or let's meet in a soft everyday way.
핵심은 상황이에요. If the schedule is open, use 다음에 연락할게요. If the schedule is fixed, use 그때 봐요.
The ending, 을일게요, shows the speaker's intention. I will do it. 연락할게요 is my polite plan to contact you.
For pronunciation, 연락할게요 is one smooth phrase. The 기억 in 락 meets 히읗 and sounds like 키읔. 연락할게요 sounds like 연락할게요.
Let me try just that word. 연락할게요.
좋아요. Now listen to a short scheduling close. The real turns are on the card. 이번 주는 시간이 조금 애매해요.
괜찮아요. 다음에 연락할게요.
네, 좋아요.
Notice that I used 다음에 연락할게요 because the time was still not clear.
이번에는 시간이 이미 정해진 상황이에요. Listen for, 그때 봐요.
그럼 토요일 3시에 만나요.
좋아요. 그때 봐요.
네, 그때 봐요.
I hear it now. 토요일 3시 is fixed so. 그때 봐요. Fits.
맞아요? 그때 points back to a time both people already know.
따라 해볼게요. 다음에 연락할게요. In English, I'll contact you later.
다음에 연락할게요.
좋아요. 조금 더 부드럽게 다음에 연락할게요. Keep the last scale light and polite.
이제 두 번째예요. 그때 봐요. In English, see you then.
그때 봐요.
완벽해요. Use 그때 봐요. Only when there is a shared then.
Common mistake time. Can I end a vague plan with 그때 봐요? Like, maybe next week. 그때 봐요.
그건 조금 어색해요. If there is no exact shared time, 그때 has nothing clear to point to.
In that vague situation, say 다음에 연락할게요. It sounds polite, flexible, and complete.
So not maybe next week. 그때 봐요. Better. 다음에 연락할게요.
맞아요. But if someone says Saturday at 3, then 그때 봐요 is natural.
Register check. Both expressions are polite, casual. They are good for classmates, coworkers, teachers you know, or a friendly appointment.
Quiz. You are ending a chat. The other person says, I will check my schedule and tell you later. What should you say?
The answer is A. 네, 다음에 연락할게요. The time is still not set, so you promise to contact them later.
be would sound incomplete here because 그때 means then, but no then has been chosen yet.
Second check. Someone says Saturday at 3 works. Which closing is natural?
The answer is A. 좋아요. 그때 봐요. The time is confirmed, so then has a clear target.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 시간이 아직 안 정해졌으면 다음에 연락할게요. In English, when the time is not set yet, say I'll contact you later.
둘째, 시간이 정해졌으면 그때 봐요. 둘째, in English, if the time is already confirmed, say see you then.
셋째, 그때는 이미 서로 아는 시간을 가리켜요. In English, 그때 points to a time both people already know.
넷째, 연락할게요는 내가 연락하겠다는 부드러운 약속이에요. In English, it is a soft promise. I will contact you.
Keeper sentence. 시간이 아직 안 정해졌으면 다음에 연락할게요. If the time is not set yet, I'll contact you later.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 시간이 아직 안 정해졌으면 다음에 연락할게요.
그리고 시간이 정해졌으면 그때 봐요. Next time, we will make the appointment sound clear and natural.
I'm Ava, and this was Korean Ladder. 다음에 봐요.